Hello, everybody, and welcome to the stream. Sorry that I am a bit later than I wanted to. About 10 minutes. I apologize. But I'm here. We're doing a programming stream today because I'm deciding to unrust my skills and possibly make something. We'll see. So.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. Now, before I fully get started, music of some sort. Oh.
I did send you the playlist that I use, but
yeah.
I didn't do a lot of research, but I'm kind of digging the music that's been playing on it.
Yeah, I'll probably.
Okay.
Fuck it. I'll just join you. Wait, do you have your Steam connected to, or your Spotify connected to your Discord?
I don't think I have it disconnected.
See if I can join you. Nope. It's not set up to join yet. Unless you want to send me a jam invite so I can jam along with you.
Might be able to start it. I don't even know how to start a jam session, to be honest.
If you're looking at Spotify, at like where is it? The bottom right there, it looks like the one that says connect to a device. It looks like a speaker. It'll have an option for start a jam there, and then you can send the link over, and I can listen along with you. While I attempt to unrust myself. I barely remembered how putting using namespace STD in there and int main. Like I'm that rusty. It'll come back to me at some point, but I am hella rusty.
Mm.
Yeah. Did you make the jam sesh or?
It's not a. There wasn't an option to do it.
When you clicked on connected device?
Yeah.
Do you pay for your Spotify, or you just listen to all?
I technically don't pay for it, but I have Spotify Premium.
Okay.
I know I can start one, but I've never actually had to.
Yeah. Typically, don't have to. It's rare for it. Then again, I don't have you on here to just join off of you. That could also be why.
I've been able to. Wait, embedded playlist, is that?
No. And you clicked on the starter device icon at the bottom? Or
Yeah,
connect to device?
I don't know if being on the web browser has an effect or not.
Might.
I don't want to download it again.
That's fair. Hey, fuck it. What song you listening to? I'll just play it and then start a jam. See if I can invite you that way.
I am on that playlist I sent you. It'd be 68.
68. Got it.
This band has actually been sounding pretty good.
Oh, I love Cave Town. Devil Town is one of my favorite songs by them.
Yeah, but if I could just join you, it'd be...
Yeah, I got you. I'm sending you a link now for it. See if you can join that.
Oh, okay. Man, it's gonna make me download it.
Is it? Damn.
Yeah.
Rip.
Right, give me a second.
You're
download it now. I'm gonna hit. Oh, I was gonna hit play on mine again. I'm just gonna hit play, and then I'll join you from when.
That's fun. I put mine on shuffle, so who knows where it's gonna land. Alright, real quick. I need fucking ice for my cup. I thirst.
It's making me even open up the Microsoft Store.
Gross.
Yeah. Like there's no just download link. I'm gonna turn your stream down. I wanted to hear what I sounded like. I sound sick. I mean, at least it's gonna download quick. But yeah, no, I'm gonna play with a game engine or some sort of engine called Love. I stopped using. I didn't want to download Spotify again.
Nah, I feel you. I dread when I build my new computer because I'm gonna have to re-download fucking everything. I will 3,000% hate life for at least a week.
Oh yeah, you ain't touching your computer for at least a week.
Mm-mm. I can't say that. I currently get 1,000 up and 1,000 down, so.
Oh, so yeah. Oh, actually, it won't even be a week.
It might be like, yeah, like a couple days. Though 3 things have to happen when I build my new computer. I am absolutely making sure I have at least 10 terabytes of SSD storage. At least.
Christ, sorry for everyone's ears.
What happened?
Alright, let's see if this actually works. So I go down here. Yep. It was because I was
Because you're using browser?
yeah, it was because I was using browser. Alright. I think I can join this again. Let me click that. Right here.
There you go.
There we go. Now, as long as it doesn't blow my ears out, we should be good.
Perfect. And I'm sorry if I haven't been responding to anyone in chat. I can't see it. Now I can. Hi. All right.
Can't hear the music now.
Oh? You can't hear from yours?
Yeah. It's good. It's like it's connected to your device.
It shouldn't be.
Because that's not my desktop name.
You should be able to change it to listen from your computer.
Oh, there it is. There we go.
Oh, and you left. It made you leave. Try joining again. It should prompt you to listen to this device.
I may have clicked the wrong button.
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't read. I did not read. That's what it was.
My programming teacher would be so upset with you. Legitimately, that man's
I'm
like
upset with myself because I should have read it.
No, that man's like final for his class with a big ass pamphlet of directions on how to make a program, and you had to make it to the letter. Or if you read to the very end, hey, just make a Hello World program.
That's funny. I mean, I would have probably questioned with programming. I don't skip, on all honesty.
Mm-hmm.
Because you can't skip.
Nope. No, his teaching was, hey, yeah, if you get a pamphlet of things to do, read it to the end, then start from the steps so you know what you're doing.
Yeah, like I mean, it's just like cooking.
Mm-hmm.
And you've seen my love for cooking, so
This is true.
you haven't. I don't think you haven't experienced the food yet.
Not yet. All right. So, first things first. Of course, I make a comment to explain what the fuck I'm doing.
Right now, I was like I said earlier, I was like, right now, I'm just. Oh, I don't use Chrome or Firefox. Damn. I can guest star, but I can't see. I don't know if I can actually see what's going on.
For what?
Oh, I went to your stream to be a viewer for you, and it said knock to join. So I was like, okay, let me just click this button to see what happens.
So
And I just noticed. I had an additional screen up above that said Twitch stream together. Twitch stream together only supports Chrome and Firefox.
Yep, hate it. Hate it so much.
But I can click here and request to join, but I can't see I don't know if I can see what's going on.
Yeah, it didn't add you on my end.
Yeah, it's just you gotta like approve it or something. I don't know. But
I didn't even get like a.
I can approve myself.
You know what? Fair.
But it doesn't even pop up on my end either. But that could be because I'm using Opera.
Yeah, same. So I don't get anything.
I gotta figure out what's going on with this.
I don't think I got anything anyway. For recap, blah, blah, blah. Yep. Nope, I ain't got anything. Not a tingle thing. Oh, wait, yes I do. Except I don't know what that did. I accepted it though.
I was like, let's try this. But I don't like it. It said some sort of like guest star.
Yeah.
On my end.
It's me and Zach were talking about it before. I don't know what it is. If you are like collaborating with someone and doing a stream together, you can do that and it adds them to you. So if you guys are streaming, like you get all your viewers kind of like merged together.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, it's a cool little concept. I'm never probably gonna use it because there's no way on this fucking earth I'm launching all my shit on fucking Chrome, but
no. God no.
Look, I learned in the past that was bad, and the moment I got Opera, never looked back.
Yeah. Like the only reason I even use Microsoft Edge is to download Opera.
The only reason I have Chrome on my computer is when I want to get on Snapchat on my PC, and that is a rarity. So I have a phone for that. Why would I need my computer?
This computer might have a better quality.
It doesn't. It doesn't even let you view like things that you've gotten on mobile on your PC. You have to look at it on mobile. Like your Snapchats, I cannot see on PC.
Huh. But if I send you one on PC, you could see it.
Yeah.
Huh.
Makes no sense to me. But, you know, internet. Okay. You know, Copilot, I like that you're giving me all this cool shit to throw out here. However, comma, no. I have to figure out how I want to start this.
Get a window open.
I mean, that's not too hard.
Well, show it to me. Show me you can get it open faster than I did. And I had to teach myself how to do this. All my C++ languaging skills has all been self-taught. I'm both proud and upset about it. Which means I have learned a few bad habits.
All right, so I have to learn it on here specifically.
Yeah, this is where I said Visual Studio is better for C++. You have to get something else for it. It can't actually... Visual Studio Code itself cannot actually open up a C++ window.
Maybe I should move over to the
that's why I had you download the compiler.
That's fair. So what do I do here? I have the compiler already.
And then you would have to run your code with the compiler. So in the top right, or the top of the where your file bar is,
yeah,
where it says run, you have to click. I don't know. Wait, why am I not just showing? You have to click run, start debug, and then up here
it's gonna make it clicky. Oh, okay.
Or you could just use the hotkeys. I don't know the hotkeys, so I apologize.
No, you're good. I don't. Oh no, this is putting it somewhere. What am I doing?
I'd open up my other one, but I'm trying to figure out what's going on with this one. Yeah, if you're doing C++, I 100% recommend just sticking with Visual Studio. Just for the sheer fact that I just pin my message.
I might do that right now. I just move over. So
I did not mean to pin that, so I apologize. It works better because you can straight up open up the windows.
Yeah.
That is a big downside with Visual Studio Code with C++. I've already managed to get the window opened, and it was a very stressful process, so I don't remember it at all.
It sounds like stressful.
It took me learning it, I think like a week or two, because I had to go through and download. I actually just saw it right here. SDL. And then to be able to pull up the window. At least that was from my research, but I also don't know what how I need to word the questions I'm Googling.
God, they're gonna make me buy it? No.
What?
I thought it was gonna make me buy Visual Studios again. I said, please, not again. I've dealt with this once.
I don't know how well my microphone's picking me up, so.
Oh, it sounds fine.
I'm still working on placement, so I apologize.
No, you good.
Oh, I know Discord works. Discord works too good sometimes.
You see, if Discord's getting it, well, understand, like, oh, well, you use OBS. I use Streamlabs OBS, and it gets it almost better than Discord. Okay. Visual Studios install here.
Found here.
So I'm gonna. This stream is now just labeled as, hey, yeah, this is just the opening for everything. Hold up, we're getting everything together properly for next time.
I don't know what mine is. Yeah, because I mean, this is a long process. I'm still in the process of fixing everything since I had to restart my computer. And now I'm starting to think that I'm just going to need to recreate these programs instead of just trying to get the old programs to work. But then I tried that and it didn't actually work completely. And I think I need to get CMake again. But no, I already mentioned that. I said that a development stream is a lot of Google searching and patience.
Yeah. Wonder. Trying to see if the music's either too low or too loud. Looks a bit low, so I'm trying to. Yeah, Visual Studio Community 2022. Yep, give me. I don't know why I still have 2019 version, but you know, it is what it is.
So like, if I download this, it might work, and I'm gonna be happy, and then I can start. Just doing everything from scratch is pretty stressful.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if you were there for my reaction when I got my video game window working again.
Yeah, I was. You were ecstatic.
It sounded like I was having a great time. And then I immediately apologized for said sounds.
Oh, this is gonna take a minute. Nah, maybe not. Fast internet, but maybe if the computer's slow. Who knows?
My other group of friends is waiting on me to play Repo. And one of them always tells me to stream. But guess where he's not. Let me message him like I'm streaming now. Alright. Now if I open up this, the rest of the path. It shows the Visual Studio part.
Yeah.
Try this.
Alright. Still doing the install, but you know, it should take time. During that time, I'm going to continue writing stuff. It's still gonna be my test code. Oh fuck, I have to remember scaling shit again. No, not like this.
No.
Not the return of formatting.
It's really nice to feel like I'm not the only one now.
Dude, no. I fucking hate formatting. When it comes to like see outs and shit and setting up like where they need to be on the screen. Oh my god, don't get me started on when they tried to make us do reports with lines in between everything. Oh, I wanted to fight.
Oh, copy and paste, my guy. Copy
Look.
and paste. Or set up a function.
I thought about it, but here's the problem. I didn't know how functions worked when they taught us, because that was like the third big program we made out of the 12. They didn't teach us how to fucking function yet.
Oh my god, I love functions. Some would probably say I'm a functioneer.
Functioning, I
Because
see.
I use them a lot.
See, especially with what, like, this program, I'm definitely going to use functions a lot. I'm gonna use a mix of functions, to be honest. Because I'm gonna use my favorite thing in the fucking world, which is a goddamn switch case. Switches make me the fucking happiest motherfucker in the world. I could make an entire program with a switch. Yep. Switch cases? Oh, dude. Missing out. Switches are fucking life-saving. They're basically the upgrade of if statement. But imagine if you had 30 if statements in one thing.
I mean, I do that anyways.
Basically, you go from true or false to now it's multiple choice.
Ooh.
Yeah, dude, switches are nice. Switches will be very useful if you haven't been using them.
You have to learn. Oh, my tea. God, I'm like so.
Oh, food's gonna be a hot minute. And you're reminding me there's food behind me. I'm gonna grab me some chips real quick.
Did I eat my food? Okay, I did eat my food.
Next time you're down, I have to. If you haven't already, have you tried the HEB honey cheese puffs? Oh, he must have stepped away. 49%. Okay. So starting off here, since I can't test you right now, I want to.
Careful.
What's up?
Careful. Not you, me.
Oh.
Because I came back with a coffee cup, and I have to move said coffee cup off of my desk.
Ah.
Yeah. I do not want it sitting on my desk.
What was I looking up for? Yeah, formatting chat.
Are you a mod in mine?
Probably not.
No, you are. I was like, I can't, like, you put me a mod in yours. I'm like, it's only fair. Yeah, well, once I realized, or, I mean, you probably have been one, if you weren't already. Yeah, once I realized I was a mod in yours, I was like, he better be a mod in mine for that. While I'm gone, don't breathe on my pillow. I don't okay.
Okay.
Okay, you're making me want to switch over
Go over to what?
C++. It won't take you that long. Minimize that window. Ooh, actually, no. I'm going to get my 5M stuff going again.
Go for it.
It opened up, but I was like, you know what? Never mind. Because I think this got up and running now, though. There's that one. Green and black for a second. Get out of that. There we go.
So, I'm gonna do this.
Alright. Here. This is SDL.
Actually, I forgot that this is a here I can ask Copilot for assistance.
See how that goes. All right.
What you got for me?
Let's get rid of this. I want that flashing.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie. You might want to start using
What's up?
Copilot.
Yeah.
It is Google. It is now Google.
Oh, nice. I just have it up on another window. I mean, I utilize two screens, so.
That would compare.
And luckily, to fit the window size, for the stream, I don't need to have it all the way out. So I have it just far enough that it's readable. That one should have gotten rid of the blipping.
So.
What's your name? Ezekiel.
Is that what you hear right now?
Huh?
Is that what's playing for you? Oh, okay. I hear Devil Town. Love the song. Oh, so this one has it. Got it.
Yeah, Downtown. No, one of my friends, I was like, you can come watch.
Alright.
And she's like, what's your name? And my first thought was, it's Ezekiel.
What's your name, man? Alexander Anderson. Okay. So if we're gonna use this.
Let me open up the browsers again.
Oh fuck! Did I just hear a Windows sound? Did I still ever stream up? No. The fuck? Oh,
I
you
mean,
finished.
I was like, I have yours at 1%.
Oh god. It went from the purple screen to suddenly blinding me with light. Jesus Christ, calm down.
Every time I hear what's your name, that's my first thought is Ezekiel. Well, fuck you, Ezekiel. Hey, what's your name? Tony. Well, fuck you, Tony.
Holy shit, I haven't seen that in forever.
Same.
Platform always needs to be Windows, because I don't...
Okay.
Where's C++?
Documentation. You know, I actually don't mind capture in the whole... I'm gonna pop it into studio mode before I do this. Is my Discord in streamer mode? Yes, it is. Which means I'm not gonna get usernames or notifications.
So thank you for everything, and
Hmm.
I appreciate you, and I love you.
At least I believe that's what happens in streamer mode. Yeah, it just, but yeah, okay. Good.
No.
I don't know how this is gonna look. It's the only downside. So I may not
Yes.
do that. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. Just pop out of studio mode.
I usually have mine in studio mode.
I have my other monitor vertical. Or yeah, vertical. Portrait, I guess, would be the one, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
And I literally after I said it, I said,
Trying to remember. Because I don't think I actually had to go in and update anything. In this. Somewhere in here. Get some.
Oh god.
What?
I have to remember how to do things on here as well. It's been so long.
Damn. I mean, Visual Studio Code's also new to you too, so.
Nope, I think I've remembered. It's coming back to me. Slowly but surely. Yep, there it is. I remember you.
Drinking a jicama and hibiscus tea.
Actually sounds pretty
Not
good.
too bad. Not too bad. I'm going around exploring Well, my mom is trying to get away from caffeine, so she's getting herbal teas,
Yeah.
and I'm trying them. I love tea, so
Let me
might as well.
end it there. And
Oh,
before I fucking forget, how the fuck do I change this off of dark mode or to dark mode, please?
Bottom left, you should see a cog wheel.
Oh, I'm on studios.
Oh, okay. Oh, the OG.
Yeah. God, it's so bright. Please.
Getting just beat up.
For real.
With dogs. Oh, there it is.
Tools, options. There we go. Maybe, possibly. Please.
I never know how to spell your.
My name?
Well, no, your stream name, but as well as.
Yeah.
Well, I know how to spell your name, or at least the one that you were introduced to me as.
Yeah. It's not you either, please. Where? You? Oh, that's my Microsoft account. Oh, God. Where's Opera, please? I need you to tell me how to do this before I die.
Okay, just to make sure, it's Darius, right?
Yeah, there's Alvis.
Trying to make sure. Okay, cool. I was gonna. I should probably put your name in there too. Your Steam name.
Thank God. So it isn't tools. Tools, options, environment. There is no environment.
Oh, are you trying to look for your system, your environmental variables?
No.
Okay. It's like I've had to mess with those so much.
Option in the options window. Look and select environments on the left. There is no environments. Oh wait, there might be environments, and I just didn't scroll down. Excuse me. I apologize for my transgressions.
Apologize for my transgressions.
Look, man. I hated how goddamn bright this fucking screen is.
I believe it. I feel sorry for you.
I found it. There wasn't an environment or the environment tab. It's in the main one. It's called color theme. Thank God. Oh, my soul. Fuck. All right. Sorry, that was guttural, but like, I was fighting a headache to keep looking at the screen to figure this out. Code.x.
You were probably being quick too.
Fast as fuck, boy. I think because it's going right. Yep. Huzzah!
Yeah, I could go use Visual Studio. It worked just fine. Sorry, that was a weird yawn. Could use Visual Studio just fine for my game, but I didn't want to learn a whole new system at the same time.
Oh, based on what you've shown me of code, I'm gonna have a way easier time starting over here. Other than Copilot, I think that's probably the one thing I'm sad about.
But it's being able, the ability to compile and open up a window is so much easier
I'm wrong.
in VS. What
Is it? I don't know Copilot. It does have Copilot. I just signed in for it.
Okay, so
It is now officially goated.
There's a line of code that I need to do, a command line but I can never find it. No one puts it in the documentation.
I'm like struggling to actually, sorry, just because I don't want to deal with C out at all.
Oh no,
But
you did.
I'm gonna get some stuff going here.
I fully understand that. Since I got my window open, I was like, you know what? If we're gonna be coding together, I might as well just do my own, my actual project. Here, relation. Tutorials. Nope, not that. Why are you sending me to Reddit? And if anyone is actually watching this and knows the command line I need, that'd be great for SDL2. I think it's just, I just need to do build.
I will figure out spacing that shit out later.
Fantasy survival. Window. Window.
So,
okay. As for documentation.
so are you working on the GTA one?
No, this is my video game.
Ah.
Well, a video game.
Mhm.
It's gonna be an MVP is what it's gonna be.
The flagship, got it.
It's gonna be a minimum viable product. So, and I'm pretty sure I go into the build.
Oh god. I've realized another problem.
What's up?
Because I'm just starting it, I have to do all the detailed parts now. And what I mean by details, it's like when you play a new video game and they have character creation. I have to come up with a name, the style, what the text is gonna look like. Fuck.
Yep. It's a little bit. It's a little lot. It's a little lot. That's what it is.
Oh, fuck me. What do I want to name it?
Is this what we were what we were talking about?
The character creator one?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I almost want to keep the theme of Oraculum Tavern with it.
Oraculum roster.
I can go with that.
At least a starter name, you know.
Yeah.
Gives it a placeholder until you either pop up something better or someone mentions a better name. Placeholders are wonderful, wonderful things. That's all. My tea's also in a giant Baby Yoda cup. It's not, the cup itself isn't Baby Yoda, but all the decals of it are.
Huh. So
They have a Discord server?
who?
SDL. One of the, or a source that I'm using.
Hmm.
I'm a gamer. Gamer. Streamer. Custom engine devs. What do I even? I don't even think I use any of these. I use SDL, possibly. I know. I know this isn't the Tarsh system. This is me trying to improve my skills in life while drinking some tea.
I don't know if I asked or if you said, and I might have toned it out. What kind of tea you drink?
It is a jicama hibiscus.
Ooh.
It's actually pretty good. It's a lot better than I thought it was.
All right. I'm personally more of a chai or chamomile.
I love a good if I can find this recipe for this chai tea, I'm making me some chai tea.
Understandable.
Because I had to make it in one of my classes, so I have a recipe for it. If anybody in class made the item, I had a recipe for it. I had to write a recipe for it.
You know, sometimes I wish I was in a cooking class in college, just for the fun of it. It didn't have to be my major. I could just say, hey, I want to learn some cooking skills.
Yeah, they're great. They're fantastic. Knowledge definitely sticks with you. Give me an ad in a couple minutes. I gotta find games I don't really play. I get a No Man's Sky.
Zach used to play that a lot, but as seen, we kind of switch games every like few months.
Yeah. That one I'm definitely eventually gonna play again, but yeah, we all kind of like hop games so often.
Yeah, if you're not in it at the start with us,
Yeah, might as well just wait for the next game.
no. That is different per game. Like for example, Monster Hunter, we are always on and off that one. Because like, and Zach, or not Zach, but Scott will say this, and he said it before. That was one of like the few games. If you needed me on Xbox, I was there. I was on that game religiously.
Okay, so do I need to go into the build then?
Mm.
I'm looking at the documentation.
God, it's been so long.
Isn't it gonna be?
There were build arrows. No.
No, what's bad?
It's a spot. What line is that?
Oh,
Line
snake. I
oh.
might need to mess with. No.
Makes sense. Also 2. This is line 10. What is it? Oh, well, yeah, that fixed itself then. Was it tools? No. This debug.
Breaking arm.
Right? No, build. There we go.
Build. Heck yeah.
Build first, and local debug.
Oh.
What errors did you see? Z time dysfunction. Oh, yeah, I did mess up.
Okay, what the heck?
Wait, no, not you.
What
You.
the hell is this?
Right.
See, I don't want it to blip. That's the only thing. Try that again. Oh. I don't even know what I was doing here.
What? Is you? What are you?
I don't know. I forgot what I was doing here.
Where is?
Okay, so this was. Just do no pointer for now.
Bigger.
Right now it's line 40. Let me.
I wonder.
I gotta clear my mouse pad here soon. Again. All right, so I was thinking chat box. Solve it? It's possible. I'll let it find out. Alright, now line 40. I'm missing it. Semicolon. Okay. Now it should work.
There's a
Nope.
Help.
Tomorrow, Robert, I'm gonna be there. Our system.
Yo, I totally forgot about that one. Wait.
Oh god, I don't know what's going on.
I don't remember what it did, but I remember that my teacher would make us always write those two every time.
Which two?
Include IOStream and include IOMinute.
Yeah, so the IO stream, it brings in that library.
Yeah.
It gives you access to the 2 more library stuff.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, that's the stuff what I was doing down here.
Wait, that says using. We doing include in here. There we go.
Let's see if it still works. Yep. What was that following? Huh. That's a very specific SDL tutorial that I just found. Darius.
Where'd you find?
C++ / SDL2 RPG physics based 2D platformer. A little like beard's all split haired out. I'm gonna check that one out. Oh, it's a YouTube one too. Ugh. I'm gonna mute it and see how the close. Sublime text. Like a 7-zip again? It's a unzipper, right?
What's up?
7-zip is like the WinRAR.
Yeah.
Okay. GCC or G++. That's one I have used, and I believe I do use. Okay. I'll minimize that because I can't see my chat. No. It's downloading.
Okay, I see how this works now. So this is what fills it. So this would be name the child to size of that size. X would be that, and they'd fill out those because each of those is related to something inside of here. What time this function or variable may be unsafe. Why are you saying this?
I need to install that.
I get what what's going on. You
I
safe
think I'm gonna need to download these again, but not 100% sure. But I'm kind of wanting to just use stick figures as placeholders. It would be really messed up to do. To have like one of the programs, like to be a program writer or whatever, that creates a program to unzip files, but it requires to be unzipped itself.
Oh no. Why?
That's some evil shit.
That's so fucking mean. Holy shit.
Oh my god, that's funny. Oh, when I actually let the thoughts come out. So he's doing Sublime Text. I don't know what Sublime Text even is. So it's gonna be a research kind of day.
I should pull your chat up at the side too.
Yeah, I've had yours. I've had the mod view up this whole time. Because I keep forgetting that I'm a mod in yours. And I'm like, oh yeah, sword. And I'm going to mod mode. But a lot of times the bots actually beat. Oh, and I'm working on making a Twitch bot too. At some point, I want to make my own Twitch bot.
Can I assist?
Of course. I mean, the more content creators that give me ideas, the better.
Yeah.
Like bots being able to count offenses that they have made.
The only thing, because I'd love to get this done if we can, because I currently have a bot on mine called Frosty something.
Yeah.
And he's like, if you're seeing my chat right now, like all those Tavern bot messages, it's through that bot.
Yeah.
If we get something like that, I wouldn't have to pay.
I've already written my Discord bot. He can actually pull up randomly generated quotes right now. But that's because I haven't linked to a website that every time you load it generates a random quote.
You know, Like one of the things the bot does is you can put in like descriptors for the personality, and everything it say will be based off that personality.
Pretty nice.
Mm-hmm.
I might need to get one of those. I might need to get a bot like that up in mine.
Look, that's what I'm talking about. If I help, and I will, God knows I will.
Creating our own, I think, would be beneficial. It gives us both experience.
Yeah.
And at that point, you could sell your... Not sell. You guys see us. Sell your services.
Yeah.
Be a freelance. And depending on what they need, add to a base. Be like, hey, they want to add very specific features. I got to code that in.
Mm-hmm. Then just have a bunch of functions you already made that already do everything.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Have a base bot that just loads in, connects to voice chat, and has the ability to speak in voice chat. And then from then on, anything added after would be extra.
Bet.
Because, hey, if you just want a bot that you can play music on, I got you. But if you want a bot that can also kick people and do that, I'm like, that's a lot more. Not really, because my basic bot's gonna have all that already.
Mm-hmm.
No sense in having a bot if they don't have a little bit of power,
Very true.
Okay. Still working on this freaking rectangle. Well, no, I think I got the rectangle, dude. Sorry for those with any sort of epilepsy. Try to look away. Because I need to take out one line of code, but I need to find that code again. This one? No, not this one.
There we go. Now I have a chat up too.
Nice. He's down here.
There we go. So.
Now this right here is... What if I just... Boop.
Now I have to remind myself
What
of
is going to happen?
what all is needed for a switch statement.
Okay, that's not the right one. Okay.
If I did that, man.
Go to wiki.
Words.
Huh. Everyone uses Fiat. You know how hard it is to find documentation that coincides with Visual Studio Code?
No.
It is very difficult. And I'm starting to see why, because it is a lot harder. It was a lot harder for me to get my screen implemented than if I would have just used Visual Studio. I have this one here. I got the image, but I don't want it to split. That's what I was working on. Lemon Demon. Because I don't want to blit it anymore. So anything with the character, I need to. Key down. Even if I do. Well, no, I can just do that because I already. Ty's trying in the electrician simulator. Oops. Sorry about that. I hit the wrong button. Oh. At least I know it works, and I may just have to restart writing it. And I'm not looking forward to that. Yeah, I think that's what's gonna end up having to happen. Because I just tried to do the code, write the command line, and it says it doesn't exist. So, when I try to build it, when I try to build the task, I believe something goes wrong. It's like an incompatibility. That's fine, but that's what I'm trying to get rid of is the freaking flashing of the screen.
Okay. I currently focused on getting through the selections and what they're all gonna be.
Yeah, because right now I don't think they're even the character shouldn't even be showing up. Let me go re-highlight that. Commented out.
I think I'm doing this right.
So, if I were to run this, technically, the character should not show up. There should not be a white image flashing. But there is.
Just on the whole screen? Just to the whole screen, or?
No. I didn't swap it over to Actually, you just gave me an idea.
Yeah.
I'm getting the flashing, but the stream's not. So they
Hmm.
oh, not that one. Oh.
Brookham, you are correct.
Jesus. There it is. Should be able to see it on the stream. I'm gonna close it out before someone has to see shit though.
Oh God, yeah. No, I see. Blind.
Yeah. Yeah, it shouldn't be up there. So I may have to rewrite everything because of the change in when I redid my computer. So I may have to just rewrite the code. The code itself, like the actual CPP. Oh, I really don't want to. Mostly because I don't want to have to remake this folder.
Dude, that sounds like a bitch.
Folder. I'm just gonna do
Do I want to do? Oh God, I have to reteach myself the difference between two. Or you can tell me what's the difference between a class and a function.
one. Class is typically local, I believe. I'm not actually 100% sure. I never really understood classes.
It's just been so long. I know there's a difference between them. I just can't remember which one goes to which. If that makes sense.
I know if a function is typically used if an item repeats.
Mm-hmm.
So if you want your character to constantly animate to the left, you would create a function that would loop that. Whereas a class itself would be the embodiment of the character.
Yeah. Okay.
I believe that's how I understand them, but my understanding tends to be wrong, and then it gets me in trouble.
Oh, that's same.
I break things.
No, I believe that's correct. Again, those are the differences I thought of. I just couldn't remember which one matched with what.
All right, we are going to swap. Let me go to OBS because the development part. So if I hit exit here, how long is it gonna take? Oh wait, no, I don't need to exit it out. I just need to rewrite the program. but I'm gonna not follow, but go with this tutorial or documentation too. Go back to do hello.
See, I just remembered something funny. I'm gonna get me some more food real quick, but I just remember something funny. I know for a fact if Zach Fire Bros joined in the stream, saw my coding right now, he'd ask, "Who the fuck are you? Why are you putting so many fucking lines of what was it? Description and comments and shit? Why are you putting so many comments? You never put comments."
I'm forgetting the answer. I need to remind myself later.
Nah. I used to never. Like, I'd maybe put one if it's a big enough section. I'm like, here, this is what this area does. I'm not going to explain how what part goes to what, but it's there. I was bad about it. I 100% bet if he came through, he'd be like, yeah, no, this is a different person. What happened?
You know, I use a lot of. At least now I use comments.
I didn't always use comments. Then I learned that I forget very fast. So. See what they got. They don't drive one. Oh man. Maybe G++ that I needed to use. I might end up eating the rest of this what I made for dinner.
That's what I'm getting right now. This mashed potatoes, gravy, and beef is fucking good.
Look at my third plate of this. And it's a cheeseburger rice casserole. I just know it's like a cheeseburger rice, so.
So what I'm hearing is, I want a cheeseburger with no bun.
Yep. I want the carbs, but I don't want to eat bread. What is this one? This one. This one. Is it IO?
Your glasses and I'm like, wait.
Stream, I'm back with food. Ugh, I haven't had beef tip like meat with gravy in so long. So good. So good. You know, I feel if we actually did get like another person or two to chill while we're doing coding and whatnot, it'd just be the chiller
It'd be a vibe.
podcast. It'd be the chiller
It'd be a vibe.
podcast.
Oh, hell yeah. Okay. Y'all can't see what I'm doing, so I'm probably going to switch the screen. This one. So right now, I'm actually just going to be rewriting or getting it to work again. So once I get an image onto it, we're going to be switching back over to documentation. Because I have found that with C++, that actually is pretty fun.
I have no recollection personally, so I'll wait till you do it so I can see.
I just open up the documentation and search for functions that I need. Okay. So
in the end,
it starts it up, loads it up, closes.
Oh, no, you're not gonna have more than that actually.
So the first
No, you are gonna have
the
more
main
than that.
function.
So damn, pilot, you really good to me today, huh? You know exactly what the fuck I'm making.
Here, I'm gonna have
Oh, it's because that's there. No. We're not doing that yet. Should be.
zero. Close that off.
Take 'em back now. I take it back on some nostalgic shit. Oh, you wildin', bitch. Been doing it since before I was a college kid. Let's go. Ooh, this shit remind me of the summertime, the slip and slide. Some bump and grind. Ooh, this shit remind me of the park.
Who is this? It would be Hoodie Allen. Wonder. So, where are you? Not towards the top like I thought. Where are you, Hoodie Allen? There you are. Does it have my favorite? Yeah! Champagne and pools.
This is the
Good
first time
song.
I've actually gone and like listened to this.
This song?
Which is this playlist in general. I usually have it playing low enough that I can't hear anything because I'm usually playing a game.
Fair.
So now that I'm like have no background sound, I can actually hear the music.
Oh, look, someone's message got banned on my chat. I wonder what they said.
Best views on streamboo.com.
Oh, okay. Now I know exactly why they were banned.
So wait, are you able to see the banned messages?
I can't. I have to pull up my web browser and look up and go mod view that way. Alright. I am going to add this song to queue because I want to listen to this song next.
I got my I can't spell. You're getting better at typing though.
What's up?
So I'm getting better at typing though.
See, I'm being lazy about it because somehow the AI knows exactly what I'm doing. I'm not complaining, but because it's pretty on point. It definitely knows what the fuck I'm thinking of.
That's good.
Champagne
Sounds a little delayed.
You go.
If I didn't have your stream up though, I wouldn't have been able to respond. Tell you that right now. I'm just trying to get the window created. So it's gonna be the name that I always use until text me real late like, hey yo, what's up? I'm probably not talking to you, cause all you wanna know is where the blow is, who got tables, when you rollin', can I bring friends? I don't think so.
I have one friend from San Francisco. Okay, she can come in a room. Let's be the one. Girl, let's get Brassy beat it out. So we got screen height.
champagne and poo. That's what I hear.
I mean, pretty accurate.
At least that's what my mind finished it as. All right, so I'm assuming. There we go. Just gonna jump into an if statement to be able to.
LCD is your BFF. I mean, Freddie Walk Chicken Future too. Drake and fucking Future, dude. What the hell was I supposed to do? I know I got something inside you can't get from these other guys. At you, you can't get from these other minds. What else do you want from me? Is it the house that I live in? Things that I can give and all that food. Hey, thinking I was different. From all these Soho House guys that take you out, I wonder if you feel a thing. If you feel a thing besides the shit. Ah, messed up. It's just that you hang out with. You got what you want. Champagne and pools. Yay.
This is gonna be getting the Windows Surface.
Oh, this might be hella ambitious of me.
Nah. It's never going to be too ambitious.
I mean, yeah, you're right. It'll never truly be too ambitious. However, comma, doesn't mean it ain't a fucking lot.
Oh, yeah. the hell are you doing? Hold up.
Me?
Yeah.
This is my good old friend. A switch statement.
I just copy and paste. Oh wait, no, cause never mind.
Yeah, it changed it to what it needs to be. Which I like that about the bot. If you put in like comments what you're about to do, it'll do exactly that.
I have to start playing with it.
Very useful. Especially when you know you're gonna have a lot of similar stuff, but it's only slightly different.
That's what I fucked up on. Why did no one tell me?
Because I didn't read your code.
God. No, I needed to change one. I changed the type of bracket. It's the quick fix. I swear to God, if you say, just. Yep. You know, is there a.
I'm about to be so upset with myself.
What is the website called? It is.
Am I gonna do that? Yeah, I am. Fuck. I made this entire thing, but now I have to condense it and make it better. I think I already have a reason to use a function, though.
To create the switch?
No. To help with creating the menu and make it work how I want it to work.
My God, I made it so easy to report that bot.
What's up?
Oh. I reported that bot account.
The one on mine?
Yeah, it made it really easy because in the mod menu it popped up somewhere for me. Oh yeah, the left side, the batch reporting tool.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's what I forgot to do.
Okay. I don't want to use the AI for this. I want to use actual. Second. So. Got these mashed potatoes, and fucking gravy, and meat.
Let me open up the other one. See what I did here. Do I have to put no pointer? Why is that not? Oh, that's why. Just grab those, come over here. I don't even think I can build the task. This one. Yeah, because I need to. file I have for that one.
Go ahead. I know what I'm gonna do. No. Switch, right? Yeah, it does.
Yep. Okay, that's what I needed. Thank you for having the previous. Create a new file. Coming here. Color the top. Come up here. New screen underscore width equals. I don't know. I don't know how I did it. Oh, it's just define. Just this. So if I do that, it's going to be put in here. Okay. Let's try it again. Should work now. Okay, the window is now the issue. Oh.
Yes, I can do it that way.
Spelling. Alright, next one. I need SDL. Surface. G screen. Surface, right? Yeah. SDO underscore. Okay.
Got it. So I actually need to go back.
Ah, that's why. Okay. Build task. It might be, might have to use GCC. Okay.
Oh, no.
Here, hit terminal.
So
Run
it
back.
shouldn't need anything.
I might not have it downloaded anymore.
Have what downloaded anymore?
GCC.
I know there's a way to do this. I can't remember how. No, there's a way to do this. there's no way. But
Alright.
Jaws the shark, lurking in the dark of the depths of the sea. One day on a lark, decides to get rowdy, get real violent. Takes a vacay up to Amity Island. Sunshine, lotion, fun in the sun, blood in the ocean. Everybody run, cause it's crazy how few fucks this shark gives. He'll eat naked ladies, he'll eat little kids. Oh no.
you'll do that. It won't let me shrink the switch down. ¿Por qué? Porque Anderson. I do not deserve this. What?
What happened?
I was quoting Helsinki Bridge. When the fucking new pope fell in his pope box. And Anderson said, yeah, you're dying. Goodbye. No one can ever tell me, though, that that wasn't the hardest ass line I've ever heard in the bridge when Anderson's sitting next to the dude's corpse, kind of sad about it. He's like, I'm sorry I had to do it. You were a... Oh, what was it? You were a great kid. Too bad you became a shit man. I was like, that's rough.
Damn.
That's rough.
Yeah, I've decided that I have everything that I've installed when it comes to my development, I have put on my development hard drive.
Good choices.
Because if I have to reset my computer again, I don't have to reset that hard drive. I made some brown rice in the rice cooker today.
Yeah? How'd it go?
I don't know. It's the first time I've actually had brown rice, I believe.
Mm-hmm.
So it was very, tasted like a grain or like an oat. You know, like it actually tasted like a grain. It threw me off for a little bit, but I was like, this might make some good fried rice. So I might make some fried rice tomorrow.
Nice. I don't want to try to make fried rice without, like, at least for me, the next time I try making fried rice, I want to do it in my fucking wok I have, but I need to get like a tabletop stove, a fire stove, so I can do it with.
Actually, you don't.
Yeah.
I know it feels better using an open flame, but you actually don't. I use a glass stovetop to use my wok with.
Look, you're skilled. I don't have such skills.
Well, I'm very rusty in Asian cuisine.
Mm-hmm.
Very rusty in Asian cuisine. But I also didn't want to have to not use my wok, you know?
That's fair.
So I think I'm going to make like a couple cups of fried rice tomorrow.
Do it.
Did pause. I am talking to a friend of mine named Darius.
Hello.
I think he's popped in. I don't know if he's actually been in our Discord, in the Discord or not. I don't think you're in it.
Probably not.
But I have streamed with him before. Yeah, I don't think you are. I know Princess and Pookie are.
Mm-hmm.
I think that's it for. Ad break ends in a minute and a half. Holy shit, how long have I been streaming?
We've both been streaming for about 2 hours.
Oh
2:10.
damn, I'm almost at I'm at almost at 2.5.
Nice.
Look, I gotta make my money somehow, Robert, okay? You don't want ads, subscribe. Oh, you know what? I think
The realest comment, honestly.
you don't want ads, just fucking subscribe. Okay, so now I think it's my compiler. I gotta wait on this compiler to download. Invite me to the Discord I'm in, or the Discord of my Discord. You should already be in my Discord. Yeah, I know. I just made a comment because I looked up and all I read was damn ads, and I was like, well, if you don't want ads, just subscribe then. Okay. Let me pop into the general chat. I'm trying to invite someone.
You should be able to.
Yeah, I'm
Wait.
trying to do it. I'll invite them to the voice chat, but that's it.
They won't be able to talk in here. But yeah. Oh, I can make it so they can talk when they're here. Just they won't be able to talk at first.
No, you're good. I can. Oh, there it is. There it is. I sent him one for the general text.
Got it. Tell them when they get here, they will have to go to the new members page and do the little verification there.
Did you hear that? Because I don't think I can invite people to the new members.
Yeah, you can't invite people to it, but they won't be able to do anything on the server till they do it anyway, so.
Yikes, literally any reaction, bro. He says verification. Yikes.
Look, we've had some strange individuals here.
Damn, a Discord with global entry applications.
Yup. Need you to sign this NDA.
Funny, I'm learning silly little. Come join. The more eyes, the more better. You know what I'm saying? Oh, you're shitting. Oh, okay.
Yeah, please don't. You don't want to be caught in 4K shitting like this. No, not what we want. I think once I get the basis of these set up, I'm gonna do that. What's up?
Yeah, he's got a bidet. I forgot. I'm just waiting on this fucking compiler. That's like the one downside of not remembering what you needed downloaded. Because then I gotta sit here and struggle figuring it out. I bet it is with that pressure washer. Got that pressure. It's like mud on concrete. Jesus Christ.
Are you okay? I got questions.
Oh my god. I don't know how long this is gonna take because I'm using a lot of bandwidth right now, so. Oh, it went up 1%. Oh, it makes me happy. It's at 18 now.
I'm so sorry.
Oh, it ain't your fault.
And
It just looks like that's the one I selected for my workspace. Oh, God, it sounded like my cat was throwing up. I was like, no. I don't even know where to go. Oh, this has been a long fucking day for me. Well, while it's doing that, I'm not. Got it initializing. Come here. Let's just fill this out. This is going to be loading. I can spell.
Yeah, okay, the man who showed me how to fight. The same one who took the training wheels off of my bike. And when I swerved and
This
almost
one's going to be
crashed
loading.
into
Image. You get hello world. PMP. Just select. It's going to be image. If. World. No. Then we're going to print this function stating we are unable. You didn't have to subscribe to avoid that.
did he subscribe?
Thanks for using the Twitch Prime though.
Nah.
Hell yeah. That's fucking hilarious.
Dedication. He didn't want those ads. He was on it. I believe it. Send by.
He says he reacted to it, but the channel is still locked, so he doesn't have the rights, right?
Let me.
Yeah. His name's gonna be Booty Stains, by the way.
Okay, so you are set with verified right now. Now this channel is locked, so let me go ahead for now. There you go. You should be able to hop in now.
Should be able to hop in now. Senor Robert, if you would like. Don't use the Prime sub, so it's whatever. I don't watch Twitch.
There we go.
I'm letting you-
Oh, you ain't wrong, bro.
Imagine being this
Hey,
better.
man, what's up? No, you ain't wrong though, Robert. It's fucking ads galore.
Look, I think I have mine set to like every 15 minutes put an ad. I need the money. I'm broke. Look.
That's all right. If you there's a workaround.
I mean,
I
there's
don't
always-
know how I don't know how Twitch feels about you telling your viewers, but
I mean,
when the ads pop up on the top right, you'll see the stream. You can actually pop that window out and expand it.
that's crazy.
So, like if you go to any Twitch channel, you can try it anytime. Wait for the ads to pop up in the top right. You'll see the stream.
Fuck me, man.
Click on it, pop it out,
15
blow it up,
hours. Jesus.
mute the ads, and unmute the stream, and just put it over the ads.
Damn.
Also, hi Mika. I didn't read your message before because coding, but hi.
Sorry, I couldn't read the name very well. I responded to your chat, not mine.
I was
Thank you for
wondering
the
like
stretch
who
me,
you
man. I
were.
needed.
I I'm learning
Definitely
silly
needed
little
that
coding.
stretch.
What coding are you learning, Mika, if you're still here and willing to talk to me?
And willing to talk to me.
Look, I ignored them for this entire time, so like I wouldn't be caught off guard. They just left. You know?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I should have. I know I needed this stretch. Yeah, because I don't fucking stretch.
What kind of coding are you doing? Is it for apps or for?
I am
For
having
computer programs?
I'm having to rewrite my video game code because something broke. By something, I mean my computer. So I had to re-download things, and now they're not communicating. So I'm going to get a window open,
Classic.
and then I'm going to pretty much copy and paste the code until I break something again. And then figure out where it broke that way. He, however, has a pretty good app idea for D&D.
I have
Yeah.
some ideas too, but I need to know someone that writes codes for utility apps.
Well, that's depends on what the language is.
Yeah.
I don't know. I wouldn't know.
Because you can write those kind of apps in C++, JavaScript, Python. Try to think of other ones. C#, C.
Which one?
Java.
Which one of the social media ones written with?
They're most likely written with Java or JavaScript.
So probably Java then, because it has something to do with tying into social media.
That's
Well,
fair.
you don't have to use JavaScript to tie into social media.
Just make it easier to communicate between
yeah.
the two programs. That's all.
Oh yeah. That it would do. Because I have to jump through hoops just to get my window to pop up on this.
I would just like to say the assistance of the fucking the AI is Copilot. Fuck yeah. I'm so jealous this wasn't around when I was in college, bro. I would write so much code. Like, it has easily written. Well, I already have the same things written down. I just needed to move them to a separate function. But they just did everything for me and changed all the little small bits that needed changing for them all. Thank you, Copilot. You really working. You really being my side piece right now.
That'd be so funny if Ann. I don't know if Ann heard that, but that would be funny if you just hear, "Excuse me."
I think she's distracted by her phone because she is in here.
Because that was the first thing I thought I was gonna hear.
Yep, she's definitely on
A
her
very
phone.
intimidating but delicate "excuse me."
Hi, love.
Yeah, that. See,
I love you. Yeah. Yeah.
it's like, what happened?
What's up?
What's up?
And he's cheating on you with an AI.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to leave.
Just kidding.
Get
He's
some
not.
sleep.
You're fine. Huh?
Yeah, I'm fine. I know.
What? Are you muted?
No.
What? What's going on?
Don't worry about it.
Are you still streaming?
Uh-huh.
You're fine, Ann.
You're okay.
I'm just trying to lay down the sad so I can stop.
Oh, why are you sad?
I don't know.
Oh,
That's the problem.
hug?
Yes?
Okay. Come here.
I don't know. Why you sad? I don't know.
Good baby.
Okay, the main goes after. Okay, so after all that is done, we're gonna go to the actual main function.
Alright, okay. I'll just lay down.
Okay.
which is gonna consist of all the actions. So things I want. Name gen, class, race, choice.
Hey, you sound like you're having a lot of fun.
I haven't programmed in so long.
Oh, I know that feeling.
And he's
No,
enjoying
not the
himself a
programming,
lot
different.
right now.
I don't know code the
Is
same.
that his wife?
I don't know much code at all.
Girlfriend.
That's fine. I have either. Neither.
Then we should make something.
Yes.
She's pretty cool.
Let's see. Let's
So is
make one
Darius.
function game. Yeah.
They were the
Darius.
only. Yeah.
Sounds
I'm not
urban.
sure. We'll take the time to figure it out.
Hmm.
What about Urban?
He said your name was Darius. I said, sounds urban.
I mean, that's one of my names.
That is what he introduced himself as, so that is what I call him.
I have collected many names in my days.
I forget what your like every time I hear your actual name, I get confused
Look, you won't be the only one.
because I'm like, that's not your name.
Exactly. No one believes what my actual name is when they haven't heard it from other people.
Do you use SPF at the beach?
No. Never.
Yes. If he used SPF, I don't think.
I just
the
needed to
man would
figure
be able
something
be
out.
seen
That
at
helped me.
night.
Look, you could have been direct. Do I have that melanin in me? Yeah, I do. You absolutely right.
Yeah, but that's
What
not
does
that's
you
not
what does
creative.
you having melanin
That's
have to
fair.
do with it?
Oh my
You
god!
You wanted to know if I was
that's-
black?
Huh?
You wanted to know if I was black?
Who?
Someone who just met me for the first time.
I just asked him if he used SPF at the beach. That's all.
Wait, is that
I
the
didn't say
reason why you
anything
checked
else.
everything?
No.
No, which.
Yeah, that was not related to it. I was just checking in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Those are the three that I want right now. And if I
Okay.
Oh
do,
yeah, this thing.
Thoughts. English. Let's minimize
Come
all of
back up here. Let's minimize that, and that, because those are done. Let's come up here, and I need a const
Oh, shit.
name equals.
My bad, bloody. Shit, I left my
I
dog
think I can
outside.
get away with this.
Oh no. Not Giborka.
Not the boy.
Not
You got yourself
Giboy.
all tied up, didn't you? Boy, buddy.
Me, your name. I could just go like this,
The fuck?
and then it's gonna be. Then I can't run it yet until this is done downloading. Is it done? Oh, it's done.
Whoop whoop.
Let's try this again.
I love this AI.
Ooh. Oh, something didn't work. What didn't it work?
Well, that's not supposed to happen.
No, it's not. Well, it's not supposed to happen. It's not
That's
even-
never happened before.
Oh, this happens a lot.
That never happens. In coding,
Never. And
it's
probably.
usually right the first time.
Now I gotta figure out what broke. My favorite part. Looks like it's not initializing, but in function. 80.
Matt, for shits and giggles, somewhere in your code,
Yeah.
you need to put "You just lost the game," just in case anyone ever like looks at your code.
That's fucked.
That just reminds me of
Damn,
Giant Woman.
giant woman.
Giant Woman is a friend of mine. I just call her Giant Woman because she's probably the first woman in the past 10 years that I actively have to tilt my head upward at.
Okay.
Either up, she's either taller than me when in heels, or she's the same height as me when not. I am 6'4", by the way. So most women are shorter than me. I was just like, this is a first.
I feel you. I'm 6'8".
See that, you understand. It's harder for you, but
Oh yeah.
Function initiative, undefined reference to SDL.
Love me a big bitch.
fact. See, my partner is short, but she's a short stack, which means it's still in my favorite.
Yourself a torta?
What's
No.
up?
No,
So you got yourself a torta?
No, she white.
no. He means the shape, not the race.
Oh no!
No, she is not a torta.
Wait, what's the question?
The question was, so she a torta?
Darius,
No.
I knew it. No.
No.
Wait. You describe. I say pear-shaped. What would you say?
Pear-shaped is pretty on point.
Okay.
That, yeah. That is like almost dead on, actually.
See, even reality agrees. Pear-shaped.
Reality.
But
would
that's I wouldn't say she's pear shaped either, though. I would say more of is it butternut squash? You got the same size on both ends.
Yeah. No, I could see that too. He also says that butternut squash, because even at both
Yeah.
ends.
Not acorn squash?
Squash.
I haven't
don't
seen
know.
it. I haven't.
No,
Oh no,
butternut
not.
squash works. That makes sense.
But butternut squash would be the closest one I could think of because the tops and the bottom are
On
about
another
the
note.
same size on them.
On another note, I went from all to oh dear real fast. Why?
Okay,
It's
so
loud.
what am I missing?
Oh, it's a video. Okay.
What am I missing here? So it's not pulling something, which means I don't have files.
Ah, yes. Children coming up with the craziest and cutest things at the same time.
That was diabolical. What are you talking about?
That was great. It was glorious. Child picks up a full-grown chicken. Chicken's just calm in her arms. Can I bring him inside? No, you can't bring him inside, but you gotta cook him.
Yes.
The only regard for his life is how close they were gonna get to his stomach.
Wild. But I love it.
You know, I have a lot of these libraries, and I don't actually know what they give me.
Books.
Books.
Library
Every book.
usually give you books.
No. Sometimes they give you DVDs and audiobooks too.
Who has technology to play those things anymore?
I do.
It's crazy.
I've got a lot of old things. My mom likes to hoard the good stuff.
So I need this one.
Heck, I still have a plasma TV from like 2004,
I'm
and I
surprised the
still
motherfucker
use it.
Still works.
Look, it's a big bitch,
Plastic
but I love
TVs were
it.
Terrible, dude, for longevity.
So surprisingly, this one's lasted all of my bullshit.
The bulbs to
I
replace.
still
them are
like to watch
stupid
anime
expensive.
from it. It looks so good.
Luckily, I've never had to replace the bulbs. One day it's probably gonna happen, and though I say I hate this TV, I might actually cry when I lose it. Couple
Dude, don't
tears.
cry. Just get a crystal UHD, dude. Have you seen those?
Dude, they look beautiful. I'm gonna cry again because I've upgraded at that point. I'm still gonna miss the old one. It's gonna get its few tears in.
If
All
you
right?
have the money,
Mhm.
but only if you have the money because they're super expensive.
Yeah.
Get a 120 hertz TV. It'll blow your mind.
One day.
Most of these TV people was like, show me the new TV, and I'll be like, what's the refresh rate? And they'll be like, huh?
Oh
Like,
no.
yeah, you spent $1,000 on a TV. What's the refresh rate? And I'll see it's 60, and I'm like, ooh, sorry about it.
Sorry, bud. All right.
It's like a buddy at work of mine. He was bragging about how he got a new computer and a new monitor, and I checked out his monitor, and I was like, oh, yeah, you're wasting your time. He's like, what? I was like, yeah, that's a 60 hertz monitor.
Jesus.
Everything you just bought, worthless.
Yep. I think mine.
I'll be right back. Hold on.
Yeah, you good. I remember.
Okay, so this isn't pulling. So why is this? Is it because I don't have arguments?
Okay. We're hitting. You're probably getting close to that 3-hour mark. I'm at 2:35.
Oh, yeah. I was just sitting here thinking, I was like, God, I'm getting really fucking tired.
Probably gonna end off in a moment here. Well, let's see who I can give an old friendly little raid to.
Let's see who I got.
I have many people on right now.
Oh wait, I gotta go to mine. I gotta switch it to my phone.
I know exactly who I'm raiding. I'm gonna raid my grandma. Not my real grandma, ladies and gentlemen, but my new current internet grandma.
You know, because this person doesn't get a lot of people, I think I'm gonna raid them. So we're gonna go raid. Their name, I met them on Xbox. Their name is Press A for Bay.
Right. Will that raid the right person? Yeah.
Will this raid the right person? That's the question. Y'all ready for this?
Do it.
Oh, it did.
All right. So, and thanks for everyone who came out to chill with us, vibe with us while we're doing our program and stuff. And we'll see what more we can get done next time. See you later.
Yep, facts.
I've sent my raters out.